Myself Divya Purval, volunteer for Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. Welcome to the AFSJ MCQ Times Forensic Science Quiz Fest Competition Round 1st. Let's start. Question number 1. Which of the term below is defined as the application of scientific, technical or other specialized knowledge to assist court in resolving questions of fact in civil and criminal trials? Options are A. Forensic pathology, B. Forensic science, C. Forensic medicine, D. Medical jurisprudence. The correct answer is B. Forensic science. Question number 2. A common name for the document examiner is. Options are A. Handwriting expert, B. Handwriting identification expert, C. Document examiner, D. Both B and C. The correct answer is B. Handwriting identification expert. Question number 3. Following is a physical evidence. Options are A. Suspect footwear, B. A written statement, C. Body fluids, D. Suspect appearance. The correct answer is A. Suspect footwear. Question number 4. Which of the following is the name given in fingerprint test? Options are A. Palynology, B. Entomology, C. Dactyloscopy, D. Trichology. The correct answer is C. Dactyloscopy. Question number 5. ASV in fingerprints terminology stands for. Options are A. Association, comparison, evaluation, verification, B. Analysis, comparison, expertise, verification, C. Analysis, correlation, evaluation, verification, D. Analysis, comparison, evaluation, verification. The correct answer is D. Analysis, comparison, evaluation, verification. Question number 6. What is the leading cause of death in burn victims? Options are A. Burn infection with sepsis, B. Carbon monoxide toxicity, C. Chemical lung injury, D. Electrolyte imbalance, E. Pulmonary thromboembolism. The correct answer is A. Burn infection with sepsis. Question number 7. Drill marks are. Options are A. Single action stration marks, B. Compression marks, C. Repeated action stration mark, D. Mixed mark. The correct answer is C. Repeated action stration mark. Question number 8. A blind loop in handwriting can be defined as. Options are A. An incomplete loop formation, B. A complete loop formation, C. A loop formation completely filled with ink, D. A loop formation partially filled with ink. The correct answer is C. Question number 9. Documents are sometimes chemically treated to make them look. Options are A. More authentic, B. Younger, C. Older, D. Foreign. The correct answer is C. Older. Question number 10. In the dash handwriting analysis played an important forensic role during the trial of Bruno Richard Hauptmann. Options are A. 1904s, B. 1939s, C. 1930s, D. 1950s. The correct answer is C. 1930s. Question number 11. Which of the following sutures of the skull are the first to fuse? Options are A. Coronal, B. Lambdoid, C. Metopic, D. Sagittal. The correct answer is C. Metopic. Question number 12. NMR is a tool to investigate. Options are A. Nuclear structure, B. Electron structure, C. Scattering effect of light, D. Reflecting effect of light. The correct answer is A. Nuclear structure. Question number 13. Application of ABO grouping in disputed paternity was first used by. Options are A. Landsteiner, B. Hirschfeld, C. Berenstein, D. Utenberg. The correct answer is D. Utenberg. Question number 14. Scott's test is applied for the detection of. Options are A. Amphetamines, B. Barbiturates, C. Opiates, D. Cocaine. The correct answer is D. Cocaine. Question number 15. If the subject is too dark for photography, which illuminator is used in the camera? Options are A. Infrared illuminator, B. Spectroscopy illuminator, C. Luminescer illuminator, D. AF assist illuminator. The correct answer is D. AF assist illuminator. Question number 16. Triangular cross section is seen in which type of hair? Options are A. Eyelashes, B. Eyebrows, C. Scalp hair, D. Beard hair. The correct answer is D. Beard hair. Question number 17. Cause of death for drowning in cold water. Options are A. Vagal, B. Asphyxia, C. Loss of consciousness, D. None. The correct answer is A. Vagal. Question number 18. At what age do people acquire fingerprints? Options are A. At birth, B. At 3 months gestation, C. At 2 weeks of age, D. At 6 months of gestation. The correct answer is B. At 3 months of gestation. Question number 19. In primary fingerprint classification, following patterns are given numerical value. Options are A. Loops, B. Arcs, C. Rolls, D. All of the above. The correct answer is C. Rolls. Question number 20. The book entitled Classification and Uses of Fingerprints is authored. Options are A. Francis Galton, B. Henry Faulds, C. E.R. Henry, D. Johann Wuchti. The correct answer is C. E.R. Henry. Question number 21. Which section lays down the punishment for acid attack? Options are A. Section 326 AIPC, B. Section 146 IPC, C. Section 72 IPC, D. Section 328 IPC. The correct answer is A. Question number 22. When was the term finite element first used? Options are A. 1950s, B. 1980s, C. 1920s, D. 1960s. The correct answer is D. 1960s. Number 23. Forensic nursing includes. Options are A. Clinical nurse, B. Nurse investigator, C. Nurse examiner, D. All of these. The correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 24. The volatile memory of the computer is known as. Options are A. ROM, B. BIOS, C. CPU, D. RAM. The correct answer is D. RAM. Question number 25. High explosives burn at a rate of. Options are A. Microseconds, B. Milliseconds, C. Nanoseconds, D. Microseconds. The correct answer is A. Microseconds. Question number 26. Choose the correct one. Options are A. Thin cortex, B. Wide medulla, C. Uniform distribution of pigment, D. Specific precipitin test. The correct answer is D. Specific precipitin test. Question number 27. Forensic accounting can be broken into how many categories? Options are A. 2. Investigative and litigation, B. 2. Internal and external, C. 3. Investigative, external and preventive, D. 3. Internal, litigation and certified. The correct answer is A. Question number 28. Which is not a version of SHA? Options are A. SHA 384, B. SHA 228, C. SHA 0, D. SHA 256. The correct answer is B. SHA 228. Question number 29. Ancient history considered Dash as the father of forensic science. Options are Solomon, B. Archimedes, C. Ambrosius Pare, D. Dr. John Thornton. The correct answer is B. Archimedes. Question number 30. Thermal deaths come under which section? Options are A. 324 IPC, B. 316 IPC, C. 318 IPC, D. 213 IPC. The correct answer is A. 324 IPC. Question number 31. Glycoprotein P30 is associated with. Options are A. Saliva, B. Semen, C. Milk, D. Enzyme. The correct answer is B. Semen. Question number 32. The drug of choice for mushroom poisoning is. Options are A. Adrenaline, B. Physostigmine, C. Atropine, D. Carbachol. The correct answer is C. Atropine. Question number 33. Bed clusters commonly found in. Options are A. NTFS, B. FAT, C. EXT, D. All. The correct answer is B. FAT. Question number 34. Age of criminal responsibility in India. Options are A 5 year, B 7 year, C 18 year, D 12 year. The correct answer is D 12 year. Question number 35. Davidson's body is found in. Options are A neutrophils, B RBCs, C platelets, D buccal mucosa. The correct answer is A neutrophils. Question number 36. What are cluster viruses? Options are A type of virus that make changes to disk file system, B type of virus that infects the disk, C type of a virus that duplicates itself, D this virus hides the user disk and slows down working of the computer. The correct answer is A type of virus that make changes to disk file system. Question number 37. What insects are first to be appear on land? Options are A beetles, B insects, C mites, D flies. The correct answer is D flies. Question number 38. The complementary base pair among four nucleotides A, T, G, C, R, S. Options are A AG and TC, B AC and GT, C AT and GC, D all of the above. The correct answer is C AT and GC. Question number 39. The Indian Arms Act was imposed in. Options are A 1955, B 1959, C 1969, D 1964. The correct answer is B 1959. Question number 40. Nigrosine ink is obtained from. Options are A plant, B colored dyes, C carbon, D coal tar. The correct answer is D coal tar. Question number 41. One of the following is not the component of Kessel-Meyer test. Options are A phenolphthalein, B glycyl acetic acid, C zinc dust, D potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is B glacial acetic acid. Question number 42. Narco-analysis technique is against which article of Indian Constitution? Options are A Article 7, B Article 21(3), C Article 23, D Article 22(3). The correct answer is C Article 23. Question number 43. In wildlife forensics, identification of animals done by. Options are A grouping, B feathers, C wings, D pug marks. The correct answer is D pug marks. Question number 44. Who serves as expert witness in court of law testifying in and variety of civil and criminal cases involving deaths? Options are A medical doctor, B police officer, C crime scene investigator, D forensic pathologist. The correct answer is D forensic pathologist. Question number 45. Julie Ford was a forensic scientist who has worked in the field of. Options are A forensic toxicology, B forensic ballistics, C forensic serology, D forensic physics. The correct answer is C forensic serology. Question number 46. Bertillonge is synonyms of term 2. Options are A anthropometry, B dactyloscopy, C portrait parley, D serology. The correct answer is A anthropometry. Question number 47. The figure, glass, soil, etc. evidences measurement of density comes under the following branch. Options are A forensic physics, B forensic ballistics, C forensic chemistry, D none of the above. The correct answer is A forensic physics. Question number 48. Who is generally recognized as being the first person to use fingerprints as a means of identification? Options are A Alphonse Bertillon, B Sir William Herschel, C Dr. Henry Ford, D Sir Edward Henry. The correct answer is B Sir William Herschel. Question number 49. In which case police inquest is not done? Options are A Dory death, B suicide, C an accident, D homicide. The correct answer is A Dory death. Question number 50. What is the hottest color of the flame? Options are A red, B blue, C orange, D yellow. The correct answer is B blue. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.